Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today in this video I'm going to be giving you the first look on the Spotify DJ AI feature. So now I'm just going to be going on to my Spotify right now. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button right now and make sure to click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. So now I'm just going to be going to my Spotify. I can see right here I am on Giant Rock's page, and then I'm just going to be playing this song Morning Blue by Giant Rooks. And then once the song plays for a bit, then you're gonna see the Spotify AI DJ pop up and then tell you a little about the song, and then it's gonna play the next song, and then the DJ is also gonna talk about it. So here is it right now. You can see that that song is playing right now. And
moving on, I got a mix of stuff that should sound a lot like what you've been listening to. Something just your vibe. Starting off with this one from Billie Eilish. Up next, a few new songs that are really moving the needle across the country, leading off with this one from Mon Rover.
So obviously you guys would have noticed that I could not play the songs out, and that's because of YouTube's copyright policy. That's why I could not play them out. But basically this feature is a very cool one, and it kind of takes you back to the times when, you know, conventional DJs were used to shuffle music in the clubs. And I remember when Steve Jobs made a statement talking about how we wouldn't need DJs anymore, and that was the use for streaming services right now. But then Spotify has redefined what streaming services are by releasing the Spotify DJ AI, and I feel like it's still a very cool feature, and it's gonna change the way we listen to music on Spotify today. Now if you guys want more updates on this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you also click on the bell icon so that I get notifications to know whenever a new video is uploaded on this channel. I'm going to be dropping more updates on this feature. As you can see, I've dropped a short on this feature, and I've also dropped another full-blown video on the feature already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.